How to add bullets in Adobe Acrobat. If you are working with the PDF in Adobe Acrobat and want to enhance your document by adding a bullet points, it's actually pretty simple. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you are using a Adobe Acrobat Pro because a standard version won't allow you to edit the text. However, I am using a free version right now, so I may not be able to show you the whole process. However, I will be explaining the process that you can use to add bullet points in your Adobe Acrobat. Now, what you have to do after you are inside the PDF is simply tap on Edit, which is in the left corner. It's over here. Tap on it, and there you can see an option for Add a Text. And as I said earlier, one is only available for premium. You can see a star over here. That means it's a premium. So what you have to do now is simply tap on this text over here. That will help you to add a text. However, I wouldn't be able to show you as I'm using a free version. But if you're using a premium version of Adobe Acrobat, what you have to do is after you tap on add text over here, it will enable the editing features for your document. Next, select the text where you want to add a bullet point. We'll see a toolbar at the top. Look for the paragraph section in this toolbar. Click on the drop down menu next to it and you will find the bullet list option. When you click on the bullet option, your selected text will transform into the bullet list. You can easily access the indication or the style of a bullet by clicking on the little arrow next to the bullet icon. This gives you option for different bullet styles such as circles, squares, or even the custom symbols. If you want to add more bullets, just hit the enter key after your last bullet point and a new bullet will automatically appear. Finally, once you're satisfied with the sizes, don't forget to save your document. Click on the file, then tap on save or the save as if you want to keep the original intact. And there you have it. You have successfully added bullets to your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So that's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.